Welcome all for the mobile app development lab. Today we are going to start with the first program, which is about designing and visiting card with the specific features and using an Android Studio. Here we are going to design a card which is having certain features such as company name at the top, logo at the right corner, and it has the following data such as company name, job title, phone number of the company, address of the company, followed by the mail address and the website of the company. We are going to design this through an Android app. We'll see what all the software needed to that. Okay, the software needed for mobile app development is JDK files. We are supposed to install JDK files and an Android Studio app. Okay, after installing Android Studio, when you open the Android Studio, you can find a tab where you can find a new project, okay, new Android project. Choose a new Android project with that. Under that, we have an empty activity option. Choose it. So when you choose this empty activity option, we can design our own application as per the requirements of us. Next, we have followed by it, you can open an activity main XML file. Okay, and this is the actual file where your program is converted into an executable form and your application gets run. And you can run your application using this activity main XML file. Okay, so we are going to code the file as per our needs. It is already predefined template we have in the Android Studio itself. We'll be opening it and we'll be designing it as per our needs. We'll be changing the specification what is there already defined as per our requirement. Okay, and this is the default code generated for our application. Okay, so your first part, your app development first part starts with here. You're going to give an activity, main activity code in a Java file where your actual program starts. Your code what you're going to give will be converted into an executable form so that you can run your application. Followed by that, we have a manifest file. Okay, and this manifest file will be declaring all the components what you're going to use, what we are going to use for our project, what are all the specific components we are going to develop under an Android Studio. We are supposed to declare that under this manifest XML file, so that, and this will be the root of our application, root of our project directory, and this is working as an interface between our OS, Android OS, and our application. So the second, after giving the activity main XML file, next we go with a manifest file which is acting as a root to develop our application. We declare all our components what we are going to use in our project using this manifest file, so that it will be acting as this file what we have created will be acting as an interface between the Android OS and the application what we are going to develop. So if we are not declaring the components over here, it will not, our OS will not consider that. Okay, so we have a default manifest file which will have a basic features of an app development. After that, we alter that basic default file as per our requirements. This is what the second step we have. Then the third step for this application development is we'll be changing our layout as per our requirements. So we'll be creating a layout. Okay, we have an option over there, relative layout and text view. So we'll be going to that, and we have a default code over there. According to that, we will be altering the code as per our requirements. This is the third step we have. And the fourth step, we can go with the view property, and you can alter your background property as per our specification. Okay, as per our specification, we can alter the background property as by using the view background property. Then we are supposed to add the logo of a company. So you can add image to the image, where we have an option in Android Studio. And the image in the layout, you can choose the image what has to be inserted, and you can alter the location of the image. You can give the specification of the image where it has to be placed. Okay, these are all the features which is already here. It is available in the Android Studio. So what we do here, we'll be creating a new project in an Android Studio. Once we open an Android Studio, we get a page where it has all these features, and in that you choose the new Android project, and under it you choose an empty activity, and with that you can start creating your own application. So first step, you will be opening your activity main Excel file. Go to that. Okay, in that you will be having layout folder, and you will be changing the code based on your application, and this is the main thing where your program gets converted into executable form, followed by a manifest file, where you have one manifest file where you'll be declaring all the components that you're going to use in your program, so that components will be considered by your OS. So it is acting as an interface between your Android OS and the application what you are going to develop. Okay, so if you don't do this, your OS will not consider the components what you are going to use. Okay, followed by that, you will be changing your layout, and you will be changing the background specification as per our requirement. This is what a design of our visiting card should be. So we have an card where it has the company. So the specification of this has to be specified in the code. We have already a predefined code. Okay, default code we have. In that default code, as per our requirement, we are converting that into new template. So here we have this is how final output we are supposed to get. This is the design of our project. Okay, here the first it should have a company name, followed by the logo of the company, followed by the name. So again it is divided. You have a segregation between the company name and the username and the designation. So these are all the features what we are going to include in our project. Okay, so the final design of our project should be in this way: company name, logo, the other data followed by it. Now we'll see how to use this code. Okay, we already know first part will be your main activity file. So in this you will be going with, these are all the default. We have a default codes over here, and with this we will be altering the design of our layout. Okay, see, first we have an XML version. What is the version of XML we are going to use? So here we are using 1.0 version, and the encoding format, what encoding format we have been used under this software, it has been specified here. It is UTF-8. Now we are going to specify the specification of our project. What is the width of our card, what is our height of the card, everything we are going to define as per it. We have a default code over here. We are going to change that as per our requirements. Then we are going for the orientation. What is the size, what is the size of the, what is the distance between the words in the visiting card, everything you give it as per our requirement. Next we have a layout. What is the layout of our application, what is the width of it, what is the height of it has been defined, and the text view, what are all the text we are giving in the card, what is the data we are giving in the card, what is the that features we are going to the text view. Choose a text view, go with that, and you give the attributes for that. Okay, so it is ID of text view, and what is the width of the text, what is the height of the text, and what is the font, everything you will be giving all these features you will be defining in the text view. Okay, next is the image view. So the first column we have the company name, followed by an company logo. So the text view will be designing the features of the company name, how the company name has to be displayed in the visiting card. It has been set as per our requirement. So we give the layout of that, what is the margins we have, what is the distance between the words, everything we are giving, and what is the text we are going to print. We are going to print the text as Global Technology Limited. So we are giving that in the text, and the text color. So each and every color is a unique code, and we are describing the code of that color code of that specific color what we are going to choose, and what is the size it has to be displayed. Everything we have specified in the text view. Then followed by the company name, we have a logo, so we go with an image view. So in image again we are going to specify what is the feature it is. It is a image view, so we are going to specify all this in the manifest file so that these components will be accepted by our application. So to run our application, we are predefining, we are declaring it, and we are using this in our project directory. So next, the width of your image, height of the image, and what is the margin towards the left, margin towards the right, all the features we are specifying in the image view. Then coming to the next layout, so how do we give the layout? Followed by that we have a line, okay, which is differentiating our company name and the name of the employer. So for that again we are going to the relay view mode, and we are going to specify the width, specify the height, and what is the background of it, everything we are going to give it in the view. Again next we are going to give the text view. So what is the company name over there, all those specification we are altering as per our requirement. So what is the width of our layout, what is the length of our visiting card, what is the height of the visiting card, and what is the text we are going to give. Here the text, what is the employer's name we have given, so that employer name can be fed through the text. Then what is the text size, we are going to declare the text size, and what is the margin, what is the specifications of margin we are specifying here. In the text view we are going to give the second lines, second data of the company name, followed by what we have the phone number, right? So next we are going to give the phone number. So again the text, what is the view of the text, what is the size of your text, everything you are going to the text tab, and you are going to give the margin specification, all the specifications, and the view we will be altering as per your requirement in the given default code what we have in the Android Studio as per our requirement. What is the size of, what should be the font, what should be the color of the font, want all those specification as per the requirement, what is the background of it, or as per our requirement we'll be giving that in this view. Again, and the last, until we give the final data in the visiting card, we'll be giving the data. So again you have an text view for the last column where you give the website, official website, and official mail ID. So for that, what is the text view for official mail ID, what is the text, what is the width of the text, what is the height of the text, and what is the location we here, it is Bangalore, so we give the text as Bangalore, and what is the text size, and what is the margin over there, what is the text color, everything we are specifying in the text view. Followed by the last one, the college website, to send the official mail ID, we give again what is the text we use, what is the size of the text, what is the color of the text, what we are going to give in the visiting card, all this specification we are going to give as per our requirement. So when you give this, it will be this component will be considered in a manifest file, so that which is acting as an interface between the Android OS and our application, and you will be able to execute it. While you compile it, you will be getting an design which has been shown. So here when you execute the above code, you will be able to get the layout which is shown in the sample layout. Okay, you will be having see here the company name has been displayed up, followed by the logo, then followed by the employer's name and what is the designation of them, followed by the phone number and the location, and then again with the mail ID and the official website. So what we do here, we open an Android Studio project, Android Studio, under it we go with a new project, and we give the two files, activity file and the manifest file, and when you run it, we'll be able to get the application what we need. This is all about our first program, designing and visiting card.